Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making collard greens. You will need 4 bags of collard greens, 1 smoked turkey wing, 8 cups of chicken broth, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 4 cups of water, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of onion, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Add the chicken broth and water to a Dutch oven, then using medium-high heat, bring to a light simmer. Add your turkey, onion, and garlic, then cover and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add 1/2 of your collard greens. Now cover and continue to cook for 10 minutes. Now add your remaining collard greens. Now cover and cook for an additional 10 minutes. Now season with your salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Add your vinegar, cover, then allow it to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove the turkey from the pot and allow it to sit for 5 minutes before shredding. Now return the turkey to the pot, cover, then allow it to continue to cook for an additional 15 minutes, then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to